Well, I've been coming out here for about 4 years almost now. And my story is that I got cancer about 4 years ago. And stage 4 cancer, and then I got acute myeloid leukemia cancer. And people would say, what do you want to do with your life with this situation? And I thought, I've done just about everything I wanted to do in life. I don't really have anything that I missed, but I was thinking the thing that I loved the most was horses. And I was talking to my counselor up at the DAV, and he said, I've got just the thing for you, solid ground. And that has changed my life.
I am a veteran coordinator for the Veterans Program here at Solid Ground. We have 2 12-week sessions a year in the spring and in the fall, and we break off in the summer so we can do kid camps and things like that Solid Ground provides services for. And we, for the Veterans Program, we provided, like I said, 12 continuous weeks, normally on Wednesdays, of a couple hours of veterans being able to come out here free of charge to them, and they get camaraderie for one, and they get some food. We do some meals together, and then they do some grooming and some connecting with horses and riding, those that can. Obviously some physical situations keep people from riding, but that's what they do, and they get a connection with those horses, and it really helps with whatever they're dealing with.
I heard about it through the Solid Ground. They told me about it, and then actually came to see, because I'm a kind of skeptic person. It said that it can heal you, and it does. Inside, I feel more healing inside, and the respect that I've got since I come here and finding out that they do care about us veterans after 40-something years not hearing nothing. So it's a great program.
I like horses, so I figured I'd give it a shot, I love the ranch here. It's beautiful. It reminds me a lot of my childhood. I grew up out in the sticks in Central California.
People are very nice, and they're not overbearing, not pushy. You get a sense of relaxation when you come here, whether it's being with the people or with the animals.
All right, swing your leg over. Got it?
I'm a veteran here at Solid Ground, and I know this is a great program because of the things it does for vets ever since I can remember. My great-grandpa in the Midwest used to plow with horses and mules, and so I know as a child the love and the comfort that the horses do give to us. So this is a beautiful place.
My experience, I can relate with these guys. I did 22 years in the Air Force, so not just a couple, and I think just vets know other vets and what they've been through and how the military is and how after you get out is, and it's not always the same, and not everyone can react or communicate the same way as vets do. I don't know if that's the right way to describe it, but we just get each other, and so it's nice to be able to give back afterwards and support these guys that sometimes may have been forgotten about or don't have any other outlet.
Out of the element they're in, whatever they're dealing with, maybe their home life, or just being able to, a lot of them are, I guess, homebound, if you will. So this is an avenue for which they can get out. I believe it causes a tremendous amount of camaraderie with one another. These guys, a lot of them guys and gals didn't know each other ahead of time, and now I think they have some lifelong friendships. But also with the animals, and that's the connection too, that you can't put a price tag on it.
On top of my cancer, my wife had just passed away, and I was alone. And horses, there's just such a connection with them that I just wanted to have. And as a boy, I was around horses. My wife and I, the kids, the grandkids had horses. And so I've been around horses. And I knew that it gave me a real feeling of just a good feeling. And I thought, that's what I want to do. I want to be around horses.
But as far as grooming and walking the horse, I love it. I feel the connection to the horse. It feels what I feel. I found that out since I've been here, but feelings that come from the horse, that is healing. Because I came here, I was severely depressed anyway, once my wife passed away. So it's a big difference from a year ago to today, how I feel. So, but and it's all from the horses.
I used to always have to have Grandma's apron string to go anywhere. Somebody had to touch me, secure me, hold on to me. So I mentally knew that I was safe since NOM. Now, since Solid Ground, I go a block or two in my blade to clean somebody's driveway, or I don't have to hold on to the shopping cart with my wife and them, or things. I'm exploring a little safety other than just holding on to it. I trust people and things more because I feel the Solid Ground has opened my heart up, to be able to do that.
I look forward to coming here, being able to communicate with different militaries and listen to their stories. I'm not able yet to communicate mine.
Oh, where it was. All right. I know, I keep trying to get it to you. Too low.
Well,
okay?
One of the things with me is that I'm just not into being around people. And coming out here, I was a little worried about fitting in or what, but everybody here has been so kind, so considerate, so loving in so many ways that there's no pressure, there's no questions that are asked or stories that are being told that maybe makes me uncomfortable. It's just a group that really wants to be around horses and our veterans and wants to be around each other.
We don't necessarily sit and talk about old war stories. You almost think that you would, but there's a story or two that comes out periodically, but it's really not a back in the day event that we sit there, oh, but this is what we used to do. It's not really that. They're talking about more what's going on now than what happened before, although there's times for that.
I grew up around them, and riding, and I love. We used to hunt off of them and everything. So
like I said, with all these veterans here, everyone has their own story about how they started. Maybe they were afraid of horses at first, and now look, we have them leading horses. We just had someone get on the horse that was scared, and I feel like that just makes the connection with them stronger, and it gives them one more thing to look forward to the next week, because this might be the only thing they have to look forward to. And so now we're just giving them one more thing and one more time to make it through that week if that's all they have. The horses are literally magic. The way they can change and sense your feelings, how you're feeling, and just kind of relax you and calm you down.
That a horse can tell how you're feeling from just your smell or from the way you're holding the rope. The horse can tell what mood you're in or how the condition in life's going to be at that moment with you. They're a sweet, loving animal, same as a bird or any other people use as that to escape to, you know. And that's what it's been always for horses for me.
It's just that touching the horse, grooming it, just everything about the horse gives me content, gives me satisfaction. Feels so good.
You know, everybody here is really nice and polite and welcoming, you know. It's just wonderful, you know, get to be around fellow veterans. And, well, I want to thank you for having us here. We have a great time.
Say walk on.
Walk on. I think all military veterans need to come and join this group because I think it will help them no matter what age or no matter who they are. Just come out and experience it. Try it once and you'll want to keep coming.
We just want to make sure that it's not just the 12 weeks that we think of them or care about them. It's the whole time, like for the rest of your life, basically. We will check on you. If you need something, that's why you have our number. We don't want them to just think, again, that it's just 12 weeks. We're always here for them.
I did it.
You did it.
Oh, you come here, you'll be blessed. Inside, your heart, you'll feel much better. It does open up your mind to lots of things. So, and it's all come from coming here. I believe that. It's made me want to care more for myself.
Even now, I don't know, after so much, I don't have a lot of reason to live, but every Wednesday when I come out here, it makes my day, it makes my week, it makes me want to come back and come back again and again.